Welcome to Momo TV. Today we are visiting Chatuchak Weekend Market, a place where Bangkok seems to slow down, even as it comes alive. Known simply as JJ Market, to locals, Chatuchak is one of the largest weekend markets in the world. Every Saturday and Sunday, more than 15,000 stalls unfold across this vast maze, welcoming hundreds of thousands of visitors, locals, travelers, collectors, artists, and curious wanderers alike. This market began in the 1940s as part of a government plan to give each district a public trading space. Over time, it grew organically into what you see today. Not a shopping mall, not a tourist attraction in the traditional sense, but a living, breathing part of Bangkok's culture. As soon as you step into Chatuchak from the BTS station, this is usually the first world you enter, the vintage section. The atmosphere changes instantly. The colors feel deeper, the textures richer. Racks of denim, worn leather jackets, retro sneakers, and faded band tees line the narrow paths. These clothes may be second-hand, but their designs are timeless, pieces that once defined entire generations. Here, vintage isn't about being old, it's about character. Each pair of jeans tells a story through its creases and stitching. Each sneaker carries the memory of a design era that shaped street culture around the world. Many of these stalls are carefully curated. Sellers know their brands, their cuts, their history, American workwear, Japanese denim, classic sportswear, military surplus. What you see here reflects Bangkok's deep connection to global fashion, reinterpreted through a local lens. Stepping out into the open lanes, Chatuchak reveals another side of itself. More spacious, more colorful, and full of everyday life. Here, the market breathes freely. Stalls spill into the sunlight, umbrellas cast shifting shadows, and the air carries the scent of grilled food and sweet fruit. Vendors call out softly, offering ice-cold coconuts, freshly blended drinks, and quick snacks, perfect for the Bangkok heat. Along these paths, you'll find almost everything. Flip-flops, casual clothes, tie-style shirts, hats, bags, simple things made for daily use. This is the practical heart of the market, where locals come to stock up on what they need, not just what looks good. And then, suddenly, something unexpected appears. Between everyday stalls, you might notice a watch that looks like a Rolex, or a bag resembling Louis Vuitton. In Chatuchak, luxury and street life exist side by side. Sometimes serious, sometimes playful, sometimes just for fun. This mix is part of the market's charm. Nothing here feels overly curated. It's spontaneous, chaotic in a gentle way, and full of contrast. As people wander past with shopping bags in hand, you can feel the rhythm of the city. Unpolished, energetic, and welcoming. As we step into another corner of Chatuchak, the atmosphere changes once again. This is the pet section, a place filled with quiet excitement, soft paws, and curious eyes. Beyond pet food and accessories, you'll notice something unexpected. Here, you can actually see small animals up close. Puppies, kittens, and even gentle creatures like chinchillas wait inside clean, well-kept spaces. Even if you're not here to buy a pet, many shops welcome visitors to step inside and spend a little time with the animals. Before entering, you'll notice the routine. Shoe covers, gloves, careful handling. These small gestures help protect the animals and keep the environment calm and safe. The dogs are full of energy. Tiny paws rush forward, tails wag eagerly, and bright eyes look straight at you, ready to play. Chinchillas hop softly, curious and surprisingly social, responding quickly to gentle attention. And then there are the cats, completely unbothered. Curled up on shelves, stretched lazily across cushions, eyes half closed, they seem perfectly content to let the world pass by. Tourists come and go, cameras click, but the cats remain still, enjoying their own peaceful moment. This contrast is oddly soothing. Excitement and calm exist side by side. Playful energy on one side of the room, quiet relaxation on the other. In this section of Chatuchak, time slows just a little. People smile more, voices soften, and even those who came only to browse end up lingering. It's a reminder that this market isn't only about shopping, it's about connection, curiosity, and small moments of joy shared between people and animals alike. Here, you don't come with a strict plan. You come to wander. The narrow lanes curve unexpectedly, stalls open into hidden corners, and every turn offers something new. Handmade crafts, vintage clothing, ceramics, plants, street food, art, antiques, and everyday objects that reflect real Thai life. Chatuchak is loved not just because it's big, but because it feels human. Shop owners greet familiar faces. Artists sit beside their work. Musicians play softly in the background, and the smell of grilled food drifts gently through the air. For visitors, it's a window into Bangkok beyond temples and skyscrapers. For locals, it's a weekend ritual, a place to meet friends, walk slowly, eat casually, and escape the rush of the city for a few hours. As we begin this walk together, there's no hurry. Let your eyes roam, let the sounds guide you, and allow the rhythm of Chatuchak to carry you along. In this market, the beauty isn't just in what you buy, it's in the simple joy of being here. As we return to the general shopping lanes, surrounded by clothes, bags, and everyday goods, it's a good moment to talk about something bigger than this market alone. Weekend markets are a deeply rooted part of Thai culture. Long before shopping malls and online stores, markets like this were where communities gathered, not just to trade, but to meet, eat, talk, and spend time together. Chatuchak, in particular, grew out of that tradition. What began decades ago as a local trading space slowly expanded into a national icon. Today, it stands as a reflection of Thailand itself, open, flexible, and welcoming. For many Thais, coming here on the weekend isn't about buying anything specific. It's about the ritual, walking without hurry, sharing food, feeling the warmth of the crowd, letting the day unfold naturally. This is also why Western travelers are so drawn to Chatuchak. For visitors from fast-paced cities, this market offers something increasingly rare. A space where exploration isn't structured, where discovery happens by accident. There's no fixed route, no pressure to consume quickly. You simply wander, observe, and participate. The market's diversity plays a huge role too. Handmade crafts sit beside casual clothes. Local food stalls share space with global influences. Traditional Thai designs blend with international fashion. It feels familiar, yet different. Comforting, but surprising. Chatuchak also offers a sense of authenticity. It doesn't feel staged for tourists. Prices are reasonable, conversations are casual, and the experience feels shared rather than sold. Western visitors often describe it as a place where they can see real Bangkok life, not just its highlights. Walking through these lanes, you'll notice how naturally people from all backgrounds blend together. Locals bargaining lightly, travelers browsing curiously, vendors smiling patiently. Language barriers fade, replaced by gestures, laughter, and simple human interaction. In a way, this market is a pause button, a place where time stretches and daily pressure dissolves. That feeling, more than any souvenir, is what people carry with them long after they leave. Chatuchak isn't just a weekend market. It's a living tradition, a shared space where culture, commerce, and curiosity meet, one slow step at a time. Thank you, and see you in our next episode.